Hi, how are you? I hope you're fine. So, if you are looking for a Squarespace filter feature, like as you are working with the listing things, and you can see my screen. If you want, like as the filter feature, like as here, I have shown all Canada, UK, USA. So if anyone click on UK, then you can see here only the UK listing are coming here, and also people can search here. Like yes, let me show you. Like yes, I am searching with marine. You can see only the marine word listing are coming here, and when anyone click all, then they can see all of the listing here that I have listed. So it is on Squarespace 7.1, and if you need like that feature, then you will get it from me. And in this feature, the main things is you don't need to upload them like is the mm, another things, like is you don't need to upload for wall in a one page, and you don't need to upload for Canada. So all of them uploaded on your one listing, and you can categorize them like that way. So if you need like that feature, check my YouTube description and get it now. Thank you.